gonna be our ride for the last leg of the trip. Me and Andy. I absolutely love this badge. That is just the coolest thing ever. Here's a Huracan. Ron's gonna be in the Huracan with the race car driver. Me and Andy are gonna be in this, which is just drop dead gorgeous. The red on these things is unbelievable. So this is a 488 Spyder. We've got there's the back of it. Now we've already driven, I just got out of this yellow GT3. I did the middle section in that with Ron. In the beginning, me and Andy took the 488 Coupe out. So I think it's what is it, 488 GTB. That's the one we took. Of these cars, I'm gonna be real honest with you, I really fit well in this. I'm not driving either of the Lambos because I physically don't fit to drive it safely. So, but they are cool. This is where we're swapping?
Yep.
Awesome.
You're in this red.
We're in the red one?
You want it, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
I'm in the yellow one.
Are you in the yellow one again? Yeah. Here's Andy. We were just having a blast. So we're out here. Beautiful country out here. So we're gonna follow these guys, and we'll see it when you see it. But this is the Xtreme Experience open road, and my beautiful fiance got this for me for my Christmas present. And we lucked out. Andy, for his birthday, we got him in to be a passenger, and then out of pure happenstance, they had an empty seat, and they let Ron ride for free. So we all got to go. So this really, Boo, you did good. You did really good. This worked out great. So anyway, love you guys. Talk to you soon.